Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. So friends, today I am showing how to make best ideal potting mix for any succulent. It is important to choose the right soil for planting succulent plant in containers. The problem with most gardeners is that they give excess water to succulents. Overwatering is the biggest cause of death of succulent plants, and so it is imperative to make sure that you use the right type of soil to apply the succulent. Succulent leaves and stem contain a lot of water. Their roots do not need water all the time because their leaves already have enough water. The best potting soil for succulent is a well-drained potting mixture. It is important to use a good potting mix for porous soil to prevent overwatering of succulents. Making your own succulent potting mix is very easy and inexpensive. So the ideal succulent potting mixture should have the following components. First, we are going to add coarse sand 40%. Succulents are best in porous sandy soil, so it is very important to amend your soil with sand. You can use any type of sand, but to ensure fast drainage for succulents, so I recommended using coarse sand instead of fine stuff. However, do not collect sand from the beach because the sand of the beach is full of salt. It is not good for any plants. Next, we are going to add compost 30%, like cow dung compost and leaf compost, but make sure it is well decomposed. Succulent require only a limited amount of nutrients. They don't need a lot of nutrients. Next, I am going to add coco peat 10% because we want the potting mixture not to dry out too quickly, as it can hold water for some time, and also the potting mix help to keep the lightweight. Next, I am going to add perlite 10%. Perlite is a very lightweight organic soil amendment. It has a lot of white pieces that look like styrofoam that you see in many nursery potting mix. These are so accessible that they do not hold water for long. Their shape also promotes air circulation in the soil. Perlite retains very little moisture and helps to add better drainage to the succulent. Next, I am going to add charcoal. Charcoal can absorb soil nutrition and release them when nutrition levels are low. It also has some antifungal properties and helps to prevent root rot. Next, I am going to add neem cake powder. It is really effective for preventing root rot from the fungus and other soil insects. It is also very useful for plants as a fertilizer. Next, I am going to add bone meal powder. Bone meal is a great source of phosphorus. Phosphorus mainly promotes the root growth of the plant. Simply mix all the ingredients together until the components are equally distributed. So friends, you can see I am going to add water deeply after planting. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, and if you like it, you must click a thumbs up, share, and also comment on this video in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy gardening.